All right, you are welcome to this brief summary of what's exclusive summer tech training, and the 1 month Quranic memorization will be entailed within just a month. The program package is all about equipping our younger ones with tech experience. We're learning advanced coding, robotics, AI fundamental, full mobile app development projects. Then for those who want to also engage in Quranic memorization before the class starts in the morning, they are equally welcome. All right, what are those overview of what the children will be learning within this period practically? Okay, children will be learning so much, ranging from learning how to code. They learn how to code using Scratch programming and Python programming as well. An overview of what the course is all about. They're going to be learning the scheme of work. Let me walk you around the scheme of work. All right, these are the scheme of work. And of course, theory and concept of what they're going to learn as well. Of course, then block examples, animation projects, games projects, quick quiz. All these they will learn under Scratch programming language. At the same time, they will also learn under Python program. Of course, they will be learning, give them the scheme of work for the whole of the 1 month, theory and the concept they're going to learn over there, the syntax of programming language, variables, how to insert input, all these are what they're going to learn. They're going to also have mini project, personal greeting cards, simple calculator, timetable printer, password, strength checker, all these are what they're going to learn. And of course, they're going to build several games ranging from number guess game, going to build that, as well as Python trivia quiz, word guessing game. All these should be built by all our children. At the same time, we need to have quiz for them as well. At the same time, we'll also be learning under full app mobile app. What is mobile app, user interface? A lot they're going to learn within this period. It's better for a parent to book early so you can have first-hand information and have entitlement to all this scheme of work. So you can register. The first batch of registration ends July 15 with the amount of 40,000 naira, and after that, you shall be having the full payment for 50,000 naira. Start registration now by clicking the link below this video to register your child. Thank you very much.